Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Cancer water sign, and this reading is for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you Cancer for the month of September. Wow, Ace of Cups, Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles. I think for some there is separation between both of you. Four of Swords and Five of Pentacles. One person is in right now rest mode, not taking any action, thinking, and I think they are working on their self love. I think it's you or you, it could be your person. Definitely there is some separation between both of you for some only. Nine of Cups, the Star. Yes, still they are hoping for this connection, even though if you are in separation. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Yeah, I think some communication is coming in your way. You both will communicate, and I think you both are wishing for this connection. You both hoping for this connection, Cancer. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. You person or you both want to work on this relationship to take this relationship to next level. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air energy, of course. Wow, the Lovers. Yeah, you both love each other. There is love between both of you. See, Ten of Cups. Yeah, you both want this connection and you both want to take this relationship to next level. Seven of Wands. Nine of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Yeah, I think you don't want to give up on this connection, even though there are obstacles in this connection. But one person acting like guarded, one person investing in this connection more than the other person. That is 100%. So let's see what is your person energy right now, what they are up to. Yeah, Five of Cups. They are very sad for the separation. They're feeling very sad. Yeah, Three of Cups. For some there is third party situation also. That's why that separation is happened between both of you. And Queen of Cups. They have a lot of emotions for you. Still they have emotions for you. Yeah, Hierophant. They want to offer commitment to you, the Hierophant. In past they didn't, because there is no equal give and take. The Emperor. Yes, your person right now in the Emperor mode, but right now your person want to offer commitment and they want reconciliation with you. I think it's you acting like guarded, because the one person who invests in this connection is more. Even though if you want this connection, you are acting like guarded, because you are waiting for your person to take action towards you. Every time you take action, but they didn't. But this time you are waiting for your person take action towards you. Knight of Wands. Yeah, your person is coming towards you, and Knight of Cups is here under the deck. Yeah, they are coming, and it is slow energy. Please be patient. Definitely they want to offer commitment and they want reconciliation, and they have strong emotions for you. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. In past your person juggling between two things, but right now they got clarity. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to offer commitment to you. So final card for this reading is Hangman. Yeah, they are spiritual awakening. In past they are stuck between two things, but they got clarity after the separation and they will come towards you and they want to offer commitment. You both love each other, you both have hoping for this connection, and you both want to take this relationship to next level. So this is the reading for you, Cancer. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.